Hello, this is Michelle Manriquez from Drop That Brush, and I want to help people who are non-artists become artists. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Today, I'm just going to play. Is that okay? I like playing. Talk about bokeh effect. A second before I get rolling. Basically, when you're looking at a bad design, you don't want circles. One of the reasons why this works is circles are boring. They're kind of, it doesn't overpower your focus subject. And it's kind of a cute little effect, and we're just going to play. We can make it design these, we can overlay them, we can do all kinds of stuff. And I've never done it before. So let's check it out. And I'm practicing for a possible, and if I don't like it, well, then I won't use these. Oh my, that was not good at all. Bad idea, bad idea. So first, I'm just going to paint a background just so I can practice. So there we go. You know what I love? I can just play, enjoy. Just let water do what watercolor does. Okay, boy, that's different. And that's very gray. Look at how gray that is. I do like this, so I'm just going to take some of this. So as long as I don't muck with it too much, I won't get major issues, I hope. Maybe. I think half of it, just to make it really fun, I'm going to do a little bit of splatter. So which means I have to let it dry just a tad so the shine's off. Shine, go away. I say, go away, go away, go away. I just want to see if it makes a difference if I do the bokeh. So this one will be with, or just regular brown. What happens when I do this? Because I really don't know. Okay, I hate the color. I don't think that's pretty at all. It's okay, because we're just playing. It's all good. This was a stencil I bought at Amazon. This is like a $3 stencil brush. And just kind of move it around. How much do you want to take out? And then just tap it. See, I probably would never take totally off. I want a little different colors. Again, we're talking about design. We want different sizes. We want some overlapping. We don't want the same old, same old. So here's another one. Oop, I think I should have used a, oh boy. Okay, well, that was interesting. So you can watch me do this, and I'll go fast forward, and then we'll discuss what we did and how did that come out where I wanted it to. This is fun. This is almost meditative. Just very relaxing. You're just doing your little circles. Oh, I like a couple things that I noticed. As I'm doing this, the more I scrub, the lighter it gets. So this one I barely scrubbed. This I scrubbed quite a bit. As far as the little doing just splashes, I don't think that looks good with it. I think it needs to be a nice, smooth wash. That's my take on it. So I would not splash. But I wanted to see what it looks like. I'm also going to do something else. Because, this is how I learn, is just practicing and checking things out. I hate the color. So I don't know what I was thinking. Not me. What if I put one more wash on and do a little more? Let's see what happens. And I wonder if I do this, but a little light. Should we try that? And I'll just go back and forth in these, and I won't get too crazy. All right, so when you're doing a wash, you don't want to be too juicy. You don't want to just play. And this is kind of, okay, it got really dark. That's okay. We're just going to see what happens. Will this be a bad idea? It could be a bad idea. Now I used, I kept it kind of light. Obviously right there, it wasn't light. I think I'm gonna go back with cobalt. Maybe this was a bad idea. Maybe I won't be showing this to you. Oh, I might show you, you know, because we all learn. Still don't like the color, but all right. We will not be using those colors in the next painting, I assure you. But it's interesting. Now I'm going to come back through and do this one more time. Okay, I do like it when I had the second layer. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it or not, but it actually really kind of adds something because you really see, like, you know, different layers behind it. It's hard on the paper. Now, this so may not work, okay? So if it looks really stupid, don't, you know, I'm playing. This is how you play. Okay, let's use a different color. Because I can look at that and say, ooh, yeah, I don't like that. Seriously, this is kind of addictive. I didn't like the color. You know, I love beautiful, bright colors. So it's like, ooh. So what I'm going to do is try it again. What I'm going to do is I'm not going to do a lot of holes. Then I'm going to layer it, then different sizes, and I'm kind of popping it here and there. I'm going to blow dry, and then I'm going to put another layer on. I'm going to make it really juicy, and I'm going to use two colors that I love, which is Aussie and Coral. But I just think that it will make it a depth that I didn't have on that other one. And I'm barely touching it with the brush because I really don't want to. Yeah, okay, there you go. Definitely T strength. Now, I planned on using, not those colors. For sure not using those colors. Those are ugly colors. So let me try it again. I'm trying to get different sizes. I don't want them to be all by itself. I want them to have some kind of connection between. This is a fun thing to do. I had no idea I like it so much. It's like, ooh, ah. There's a bokeh effect. We're going to use this on a painting that's coming up. When you don't know what you're doing, don't play with that stencil. Drop that stencil. You have a wonderful day. Bye.